Hi, welcome to the section. As we discussed about the billionaires in the previous section, that did they lose their fortune? Yes, they have lost it due to some bad financial decision. But they still remain extremely wealthy. Why? Because it is of law of attraction. Of course, yes. They know how to manifest what they really want in their life, and this gives them an extreme advantage over the others. What is the magic that they are following? That is, they know how to manifest it. As we have discussed earlier, the law of attraction does not take sides, it will not have any discrimination. If a person thinks of nothing but the worst things in life, these negative things will come to that person, because that is precisely what he is attracting. Either consciously or unconsciously, they will attract the negative things only. If you are thinking about all the negativity, what happened to you in the past life, what happened to you in the previous years, how you lost your wealth, how you lost everything, how you are being betrayed, how you are being cheated, you are attracting the same things in your life. It is not to confuse you, it is to make you understand how the law of attraction works. Think of the most basic law of physics, as all of us know, the law of gravity. When a ripe apple sways in the wind and it is detached from its branch, an invisible force, that is gravity, that pulls it down to the ground at a precise speed. So, as the apple is ripened and detached with the flow of the wind, the invisible force is making it to fall down to the ground. This happens each and every time, and gravity performs its sole function tirelessly and effortlessly. Whether you don't like it, whether you like it, the gravity is still working. If you want to test it, test immediately. If you are sitting on a table right now, have a pen in your hand, just drop it and see whether it goes down and hits the ground or not. The floor. Definitely, right? Can you see the law of gravity? No, but you can feel it. You can see that. You can experience it. Similarly, you cannot see the law of gravity, but you can see the action of it. But you are aware that gravity is there because it is with you when you run, when you walk, when you drive your car, or perform a bungee jump off a cliff. The law of attraction also works in the same way. It is there whether you like it or not, whether you believe it or not, whether you want to believe it or not. The law of attraction has been working with you in the same way how it has. The law of gravity was working with you when you are running, when you are walking, when you are driving your car. In the same way, the law of attraction also is working with you from your childhood as you are born. You might not be aware of it, but right now you are learning the course, so you know that there is a concept called law of attraction. But the same law was been working with you from the day you are born. It is there with you whether you like it or not. Please accept the fact. Once you accept the fact, then you will be able to manifest the things, understand the things better. Acceptance is the key to the success now. Accept the fact that law of attraction is the same way of law of gravity, and it is working with you whether you like it or not. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.